Right now we are on the west line. We are right behind Mozley Park at our Mozley Park interlockings. My name is Kelly Davis. I'm one of the project managers for the track renovations Phase 4 project. This is our oldest line on the system. The switches have been in service for 30 plus years and they are at the end of life. At these switch points, these are the only places that we are able to move the trains from one track to the other. That's why the maintenance and upkeep of these is critical to the upkeep of our system. So it takes a long time because it's a lot of rail. Generally these areas go from 200 to 300 feet in length. So we are replacing all of the rail and all of the timber ties during that area. The track behind me, as you see, is out of service. So that's why we're doing something called shingle tracking, which is where we run all trains on one track so we can work in a specified area. That's why you may experience a few delays because we have to make sure that the tracks are clear and safe so the next train can come through. The temporary delays that you experience right now will help us with the general on-time performance that we have. Small delay now, but you'll be able to move through here faster and smoother when we're done. I'm proud to be a part of the team that's ensuring reliable service for the future.